Good day, I am Romar Lee of Sarco and I would like to apply as a secondary teacher major in Filipino. I had graduated in Caraga State University 2 years ago and then I pursued and passed my TET board exam a year ago. Months after I graduated, I am currently taking my master's in my alma mater to pursue more in my career. One of my specific achievements is I had attended seminars about DRRMC and its sectors. I also joined NSRC ERT as a team leader of search and rescue, including the seminars. In my major, I attend seminar about Padayon Story of Life that tackles about the Philippine literature. I also attend seminars Butuanon ethnographic materials and language, navigating the understanding Butuanon heritage, showing my fondness in my own culture and the major I choose. I hope I am eligible and qualified to be part of this working environment. I am efficient, active, and build with high morals and lives with my ethical value as a teacher.